Good morning. Today we want to discuss why we built Portfolio Coach. For over the past decade, we've helped financial advisors help their wealthier clients get wealthy by using our algorithm or quant that gives buying and selling trading signals on individual stocks and ETFs. But what about the little guy? So what we wanted to do is wanted us to give back. To keep the costs down, what we've been able to do is you have to do the trade yourself. You have to manage your own money. But by doing so, we're able to still send out the signals to you of a proven product or a proven signaling program that's been used for over a decade by other financial advisors. Currently, we have over 1,600 financial advisors that have access to the signals. So let's work down and discuss more on Portfolio Coach. First thing you would do is subscribe to Portfolio Coach. We'll go over the plans and pricing on that page. You need to sign up for an online brokerage account. Robinhood's great, TD Ameritrade, Schwab, Fidelity, you name it. But it's your money. You decide where you want to trade. Then you want to go through and you want to pick a portfolio and decide which portfolio would be best or which portfolios would be best for you. And we'll discuss that a little bit later as well. Over the weekend, you'll get your trades. And then Monday morning, if you like the trades that have been suggested to you, then you go ahead and make them. You execute those trades basically at 10% when you buy in. So if you have a $2,000 account, you would buy $200 in a particular stock. Hopefully that helps you understand why we created Portfolio Coach and what we can do for you. If you have any questions, please reach out to us, info@portfoliocoach.com. Have a great day. Happy trading. Now let's go make some money. Take care. Bye-bye.